All right, so I think this is recording. We're taking a look at Skill 6 notes, which is complex numbers. We've looked at the introduction of an imaginary unit and the standard form of a complex number, and we've looked at how to do operations on complex numbers. Operations meaning addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now we want to plot complex numbers, and you'll find this extremely straightforward. Um, Complex numbers can be plotted on a coordinate system called a complex plane. Sometimes it's also called like an Argand plane. I've seen that before. Um, and I'm assuming that that's in reference probably to somebody who did groundbreaking work. It's probably named after a mathematician, but I'm not entirely certain of that. That's something that you could look up on Wikipedia, I'm sure. The vertical axis, the what we normally refer to as the y-axis, is now going to be called the imaginary axis. The horizontal axis that we uh, typically call the x-axis is now going to be referred to as the real axis. So if you have a complex number in standard form of a plus bi, we're going to just graph it as an ordered pair. We're going to plot a point at a comma b. So what does that mean? Well, if we have negative 5 plus 3i, we're simply going to view that as the ordered pair negative 5 comma 3, where the first number negative 5 is along the horizontal axis and the 3 along the vertical. So we're just going to put a point right there. All right. Now, I do remember in the back of my mind that sometimes either in engineering textbooks or uh, in some computer science applications that or physics applications that they may draw this as vectors, but I'm not entirely certain of that. For some reason that just kind of popped in my head right now. We're just going to simply plot it as points. All right. So for I, we're going to look at that as 0 plus 4i. So we're interested in plotting 0 comma 4. So it's here on the vertical axis. Right there is the point 0 comma 4. All right. Um, 2 plus 1i. We're going to look at that as 2 comma 1. Go to the right 2 and up 1. 2 comma 1. Negative 2, we'll look at that as negative 2 plus 0i, negative 2 comma 0, and that's right there. Now we're going in the reverse order. This is the point negative 5 comma negative 2, so that represents the complex number negative 5 minus 2i. All right. And here 0 negative 2 represents the complex number negative 2i, or you could write 0 minus 2i if you prefer, but I'm just going to write it as negative 2i. And hey, that's it. So that was pretty quick. That was so quick and it was so easy that I'd be embarrassed if I made negative 5 comma 3. That's correct. Go up 4. That's correct. Go to the right 2 and up 1. To the left 2, don't go up or down. Negative 5 minus 2i. 0, because you have to move left or right, and down, so that's minus 2i. All right, I just want to make sure that I didn't make a silly mistake. All right, talk to you later. Bye.